Everyone is Mich and Mark.
How you doing?
So what is this called?
This is a seated tricep extension.
What does it do?
And she's illegally filming me. I never even authorized it, so I'm gonna have to sue her online.
Whatever. So what does it do?
Huh?
What does it do?
Oh, it works your triceps. This machine, you see this machine? When the person's sitting here, they're pressing down with their tricep here. When they're seated with their arms here. As you see me do.
Yeah, but you have to do it this way because the camera on the other side doesn't work.
Huh?
So I'm
Do what way? Okay.
So, but I can't do.
Can the angle, does it look right? No, I pushed the seat, I put the seat down.
So that's fine.
So can you see yourself?
Yeah.
Here, I'll just go back a little bit. There.
Do the other one because you see my burn. Guys, you see my burn?
Oh, there. Can't even see your face, there's your hair. Keep your elbows on the pad. And then full extension all the way to your face. There you go.
Yeah, it burns.
Uh-oh.
Where am I supposed to feel it?
And your triceps. Oh. Already recording. Okay, first rule of thumb is don't bang your head. Always check where you're going. Maybe it knocks some sense into her. I'm not sure. All right, sweetie. All right, so like I said, set your feet up the way you are. Okay, toes pointed out a little bit, not exaggerated, that's fine. And the reason I tell you to point toes out, see, I mean, I can't even talk. The reason I tell you to point toes out is because when you get down here in the pocket, you don't want your knees to bow in. So you want your knees over toe and follow the path of your toes down like that. So anyhow, all right, now okay. Whenever you're ready. Okay, great job. Head up, yep, there you go. Right in the pocket, drive up with your heels. I'll go from the side so you can see yourself from the side. Excellent, yeah, great mobility. And by the way, people, this woman's 53 years old. Not 23, 53.
What am I?
Excellent. And see, this is just an encouragement to all women out there. When you're 74, like my wife is, this is how good you're going to look if you squat for. All right, end of video. Bye. All right, everybody. Michelle's doing, this is 95 on the Smith machine. Watch your foot spacing. Adjust your foot spacing. No, like bring it closer together. There you go. There you go. Now you got it. Drive up with your heels. Good job. Deep in the pocket, okay? Excellent. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay? No. You're not cheaping. No, you got one more. You got one more. Come on.
I just wanted to see how you do it.
Yeah, that's just called a pause squat. And when you get inside the pocket, which is where at the bottom of the movement, When you get in that movement and hold it, you're just teaching yourself. You're just teaching yourself to own the weight and handle the weight, because there's two sides to one coin. There's moving the weight, which anyone can do. Handling the weight, totally different. So you teach yourself to pause in the moment, to own the weight and own the quantity, and to drive up with your heels. That way you're not just kind of like rebounding off the ground, because you really are looking, just using momentum to do the movement. So it takes more than that. So controlling.
Word from the wise.
Yeah, something like that. Before I couldn't spell trucker, now I are one.
How much was that?
185.
That's 185. I'm not even gonna try that. I was doing 200. No, what was I doing? 50. I was doing 95, guys, and that wasn't. And I have a bad arm over here, but this is what my arm looks like right now after doing some.
What foolishness are you talking about now? Is she going on about how great her biceps look at her age?
Yeah, it looks good.
She's taking juice.
I'm not taking no juice.
Here we are. Michelle's gonna do 135 for reps. Okay?
How do I breathe?
Just take one big huge breath in. Pop up the weight, stand it up. Straight up. Under it, quad it up, like straight up. Stand up with the weight. Is it up? No, gotta get it out of the pocket. Stand up. All right, now. Exactly, good pause. Go ahead. I'm gonna go around to the side. Here we go. All right, here we go. Deep. Hit the bar, straight up. That's right. Feel that bang. That bang is the support. So you know you got that as a security blanket. Excellent job. Keep going. Straight up. Great job. Two more. Straight up. All the way to the bar. All the way to the bar. Nice. Drive up. One more. Here we go. Straight up. Lock the bar. There you go. And that was all by yourself. Excellent. And by the way, just for your viewer's choice, when you're executing this movement, people think you're just working your quads, but what it is, you have actually simultaneously, this is what they call a compound movement. You're using almost around, don't quote me on it, you can fact check it, I forget how many, it's like something like 275 muscles simultaneously are being used to execute that movement. Unbelievable. Fantastic. Great job. And what do you have to say?
I was basically lifting my own weight.
Not basically, you were, and she did it as everyone's seen. You did it all by yourself. And by the way, just for people noting, she put in safety locks in case she ever dropped the weight and it got too much, so to save her. And she was using my belt for thoracic, just for support. Just a powerlifting belt. But great job. Be proud of yourself.